Jai Srimanarayana. 18th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Udaraha sarva evaite jnani tu atmaiva मे मतं आस्थितः स हि युक्तात्मा मामेव अनुत्तमां गतिम् Om. Sri Krishna Paramatma feels happy to see you coming to him for seeking other fruits from him. Sri Krishna Paramatma feels more and more happy to see you coming to him, seeking himself, seeking his eternal attachment with you. Look at the difference. At some point, Sri Krishna Paramatma feels that it is impossible for him to stay without you. Make that happen in this lifetime itself. By you coming to Sri Krishna Paramatma for any kind of fruits. In other words, you are bringing awareness of this real, true, authoritative, authentic, eternal source of all kind of divine fruits to this entire universe. Start approaching Sri Krishna Paramatma for anything that you want from today onwards. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall come to you, seeking your perpetual attachment with me. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana." Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamapetakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham, 10th Skandham, 37th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, now it is the time for Sriman Narayana to be born as Sri Krishna Paramatma. At that time, all divine sounds started coming from divine all the worlds. Jaguhu kinnara gandharvaha tushtuvuhu siddhacharanaha vidyadharyaschanan apsarobhihi samam muda. All the kinnaras, gandharvas, పాడిరి గంధర్వోత్తములు ఆడిరి రంభాదికాంతలు ఆనందమునన్ గూడిరి సిద్ధులు భయముల వీడిరి చారణులు మొరసె వేల్పుల భేరుల్. Kinnaras, Gandharvas, they are singing beautiful songs. Siddhaganas, Charanas, they are praising. Vidyadharas and with all the Apsarasas, they are with so much of happiness doing dances. Mumuchur munayo devaha sumanam simudanvitaha mandam mandam jaladhara jagarjuranu sagaram nisidhe tamavudbhute jayamane janardhane देवक्यां देवरूपिण्यां विष्णुः सर्वगुहाशयः आविरासीद् यथा प्राच्यां दिशीन्दुरिव पुष्कलः సుతుగణదేవకి నడురేయతి శుభగతిదారలును గ్రహంబులునుండన్ దితి సుత నిరాకరిష్ణున్ శ్రితవదన అలంకరిష్ణున్ జిష్ణున్ విష్ణున్ జిష్ణున్ కృష్ణున్. At that time, Devatas, Munis, all those, they are with so much of happiness, they are showering all the flowers. And there comes very beautiful sounds from the space. All the people's hearts are very peaceful. And the Paramatma, Sri Mahavishnu, who is present in everyone's heart, now he is going to be born. He is taking his birth. It is midnight. Time Sakshat Paramatma is now coming from Devaki Devi to this earth. As and how the moon comes out in the east side, full moon, as and how he comes, just like that Sakshat Paramatma Sri Mahavishnu coming out from Devaki Devi to this earth as Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 18th sloka. Udara sarva evaite jnanitvatmaiva me matam आस्तितः सहि युक्तात्मा मामेव अनुत्तमां गतिम्. उदाराः सर्व एवैते ज्ञानीत्वात्मैव मे मतम् आस्तितः सहि युक्तात्मा मामेव अनुत्तमां गतिम्. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.